Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about choosing your niche in affiliate marketing. As you start your new business in affiliate marketing, there's going to be a big decision you're going to have to make early on. It's the first really consequential decision that you make that'll impact the size, scope, and profitability of your business. It's called choosing your niche. Now, a niche is nothing more than a specialized segment of the marketplace, and there are many to choose from. But if you choose the wrong one, you can find yourself trying to sell snow shovels to people who live on the equator. And that's not going to be a very profitable opportunity for you. There are going to be three questions you're going to need to ask yourself when choosing your niche. Are customers in this niche, number one, are customers in this niche known to buy products? Number two, can you sell one-time, high-ticket, and reoccurring offers to customers in this niche? And number three, do you really like the niche? Or do you believe you understand the customers in this niche, their fears, their desires? Obviously, it's best to choose something you're going to like and enjoy doing research on, because you will be doing research on it. Now, most of us come into this industry with a buy-only mindset. And now it's time to flip that into a selling mindset, which really isn't that difficult, because the same reason that you bought something is likely the same reason that somebody else bought something online. So you probably know more than you really think you know about the psychology of buying products. Here's a hint on what most people want. They want the easiest, fastest solution with the most value for the least amount of work. They'll pay willingly for quality and convenience. All you really need now is to learn about the specific type of customer inside that niche that you want to market to. And that'll be done, once again, by doing more research. Now, in choosing your niche, there's one mistake I think that I need to point out before you actually get started. And I call it the big fish in the little pond syndrome. Now, you may think that by choosing a non-competitive niche that you can become the big fish. This type of thinking will surely frustrate you in the end. Don't try and reinvent the wheel. The internet has shown us what works and what doesn't. You want to be in a niche where people spend money. Find a niche that people are already spending money and position yourself in front of them, because these niches have been proven to work over and over and over again. Over time, some niches have proven to work very well, and others just aren't worth pursuing. Okay, now the three most profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationships. For instance, in the health niche, you've got some subcategories in there that are absolutely golden opportunities. That men's weight loss, women's weight loss, yoga and meditation, diabetes, and then the big one, men's erectile dysfunction. Believe me, there's a lot of people spending money on that. These are the hot sellers. These are some of the hot sellers that are in the health niche, which people are spending billions on a month. I want to say that again. They're spending billions of dollars a month. If you were to just get a small piece of this niche, you would easily find the financial freedom that you may be looking for. I chose the wealth niche because it has all the properties of Jay Abrams' theory on growing your business. And they are, number one, get more customers. Kind of self-explanatory, right? Number two is increase the average transaction of each customer. Get every customer to spend more every time they do business with you. It's also known as an upsell. McDonald's has one that they use all the time. You know, would you like fries with that burger? And number three is increase the frequency at which your customers buy from you, like subscriptions. At its core, picking a niche is just simply choosing the customers you're going to be serving. Now, having said that, it's important to have some clarity about the customers you're marketing to. So as a little time-saving move, I'll put a link in the description for you to download my customer clarity sheet, and it's free. And next, you'll need to find the products to offer your customers, and that we're going to do in my next video. Be sure to like and subscribe below.